Hello guys, today we will see which are the obsolete transaction in SAP S4 HANA and what is the replacement for that. So when you are working in a migration project from ECC to S4 HANA, many transaction code become obsolete and older ECC system replaced with a new T code. So in this video, we will see how to identify and how to find which transaction code that is replaced by a new transaction code in SAP S4 HANA. For example, if you see in vendor master data, XK01 is used to create a vendor, then MK01 for purchasing view, FK01 for accounting view. Similarly, for customer XD01, FD01, VD01, these transactions are used to create a customer. But in S4 HANA, these transactions are obsolete and these are replaced with a single transaction that is BP. So using this transaction, you need to create a business partner and then you can simply extend that BP rule to purchasing view, accounting view, similarly for customer. Also for a material movement, these are the T code used for movement of the material for good issue, good receipt, or if you want to remove the stock from block stock. So these are the T code used in ECC and these are obsolete in S4 HANA and this is replaced with a single transaction that is MIGO in S4 HANA. So we'll see in SAP. So T code is SE16N to view the table and the name of the table is PRGN underscore CORR2. Remove this maximum number of feet and execute. So here you can see these are the ECC transaction that are replaced with S4 HANA transaction. So for example, let's say this is the MB1A. So this is the ECC transaction. If I execute, you can see the S4 transaction is MIGO. Similarly for uh, vendor, if you see XK01, so it will be BP in S4 HANA this way. So if you execute this transaction XK01, system will redirect to BP as a XK01 is obsolete in S4 HANA. This is S4 system. So let's see. See, here you get a message that system redirecting to transaction BP as transaction XK01 is obsolete. So this way you can find the S4 HANA transaction. If you are aware about ECC and want to know what is the S4 transaction, so using this table, you can find the new T code. So let's stop here. I hope you like this video. So this video will be helpful if you are working in a migration project and moving to S4 HANA. So it will be helpful to you.
And also, if you don't want to miss any of this video again, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that whenever you are uploading a new video, you will get the notifications apparently. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.